Welcome. In front of me I have the SteelSeries Arctis Game Buds, and I'll go over unboxing along with just a quick look at the product itself. So, popping it open, let's see, do we have to cut something? I don't think we do. If I can grab these. There we go. That's unfortunate. There. So, popping it open, we have the buds themselves here, or the case more like. And then below we have our Type A to Type C dongle. That will be for use with the actual dongle that is provided, the 2.4 gigahertz one. And we get a Type C to Type C cable. And ear tips. Okay, now tossing that to the side. Case for it seems pretty nice. A bit of a logo at the bottom. We have a little locking portion, so it's not spring loaded, it's just kind of, see, yeah, it's just gravity. So here we have the dongle that you would plug in, Type C. So the reason you might be interested in such a thing is because this would give you seemingly kind of lowest latency. It is going to use its own 2.4 gigahertz connection to connect to the buds, so they're not being connected through Bluetooth and not being delayed by that. And nowadays, Bluetooth 5.3, for instance, has also the option for like low latency modes, which are much more manageable. But obviously, this will give you even lower latency, so best for just gaming where you want to have unperceivable delay in audio. Now, one of the benefits of such a thing, the use for it, would be things like, for instance, Quest 3 headsets. Now, when it comes down to Quest 3 specifically with this, I probably wouldn't recommend specifically the SteelSeries, as there is no Type-C pass-through. So that's a bit of an oof right there. So if you plug it into anything that you want to also charge, you're not going to be able to do this. So that's kind of going to be on a crappier side, but the buds themselves seems to be solid right here. And they also have a Bluetooth, so you don't need to use a dongle, you can actually connect them through Bluetooth and also use it, for instance, with your phone. Now, if you're looking for some headphones or earbuds more precisely, that would offer you great kind of experience for VR specifically, with things like, for instance, Quest 2, Quest 3, or Quest 3S. There is a option from Soundcore, which is the Soundcore VR P10 earbuds. These do have also a dongle like this one, which offers you the 2.4 gigahertz connection, but right here you'll have a pass-through USB-C, so you can plug that in, have the 2.4 connection, and also charge your headset if you have something like a battery strap on it. This, on the other hand side, whatever the headset supports, that's it. And you can't charge your headset also while using this, which obviously, if you use VR, you know that the headsets have atrocious battery life, so you most likely want something with at least a pass-through on a dongle that will allow you to use these buds along with charging the headset itself, which this does not offer. One more thing, the little place where you store it, it's got a rubber seal around it, so it goes in there and just kind of stays in there, but it's not magnetic, so you do have to kind of like fiddle around and push it in there. But the buds themselves do magnetically attach to the case. So there we go. One last thing, Type-C charging port at the back. So they're new, so obviously we do expect Type-C nowadays because of the law. But there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.